good evening, wherever you are. It's Paulina, and I'm curious with AI. And I've been working with ChatGPT for over a year now, and I've gotten to see certain phrases, words, language, whatever you want to call it, all the above, that I can easily spot ChatGPT writing. So here's my tips and tricks on things to avoid, or when you do see ChatGPT writing this, just modify it, give it a personality. So you can say, hey, I want to, include Gary Vee or Seth Godin or Elon Musk as a personality infused into one. This is a personality I want to take on for writing our content. Here are the things I want to use, ingredients I want to use to write this, et cetera, et cetera. Like, that's the way you need to kind of, from what I've noticed so far, is the way to program and teach your ChatGPT on the way you want it to write for you. So almost like it's like a kid. You got to teach it like how to write. If you don't, it's going to give you this kind of language that's going to be easily recognized by those who have been using this program for over a year, like myself. So let's dive in, as it likes to say. The first one that I find very repetitive is immerse yourself. So catch it when you're seeing it right for you. See if it does say that. And if you do see any of these, please comment below and let me know, and any other languages that you find that it repeats. Okay. Next one, embark on a journey. Deep dive into, uncover the mysteries. This is definitely in like the magical tarot area. Imagine a world where, in realm where, let us delve into, step into the world of, in a time of, in conclusion, elevate your, and in today's digital world, just to name a few. So again, if you see these in the writing that ChatGPT gives for you, just modify it. What I did is I compiled a list of these common phrases, and what I do is before any kind of writing, I specifically put inside the ChatGPT prompt, do not use these words, like avoid it, completely avoid it, remove it, do not use it. And as time goes on, that list is going to get better and bigger, and it's going to fine tune it. So a lot of fine tuning with this is definitely necessary in the future. If you found this helpful, please comment below, subscribe, say hi, and then add in some of the stuff that you've come across that's like totally repetitive. Thank you. It's Paulina, and I'm curious with AI. Hopefully you are too. Talk to you later. Bye.